So, of course, let's go to Waseem. Welcome, my brother Waseem. Thank you for coming.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much, Confirm Man. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum, yes, sir. How are you? And first of all, thank you very much. You invite me here. It is with great pleasure that I'm here today in significant webinar titled Go Africa, featuring our visionary leader, Mr. Ash Mufarib, as we gather here virtually united by technology and shared aspirations. It's essential to reflect on the journey we have embarked upon with ONPASSIVE, pioneering IT company rooted in the principle of artificial intelligence and innovation. So, since our inception in 2018, OnPassive has been steadfast in its commitment to revolutionizing the digital landscape. Through the OnPassive ecosystem, we promise to deliver an all-encompassing suite of AI-driven products accessible through a single login. A promise we continue to uphold with integrity and dedication. In September, we achieved a significant milestone with the launch of our first paid product, OConnect, an advanced video conferencing video tool designed to simplify and enhance our digital communication. Mr. Ash Mufarib, our CEO, has always led OnPassive with a focus not just on technological in advancements, but on values and humanity. It is his belief in doing the right thing that led to the unprecedented decision to return the initial $97 fee to our founding members, reinforcing a message of trust and mutual respect. However, like any bold venture, we have faced challenges. Recent issue with third-party merchants have led to delays in withdrawals for some of our founding members. I want to assure everyone that these setbacks are temporary, are being addressed with the highest urgency. Our commitment to our financial and time freedom remains unwavering. Today's webinar is not just a meeting, it's a reaffirmation of our unity and trust in Mr. Mufarib's leadership. As a community, particularly here in Africa, we stand together, patient and optimistic about the future. We are not just passive participants, but active contributors to a vision that extends beyond individual success to encompass collective empowerment. In conclusion, let's move forward with the spirit of Africa. Let's embrace every update and development from OnPassive with open hearts and minds. Our journey together is paired with groundbreaking innovations that promise not only to redefine our digital experience, but also to provide a sustainable model of success and freedom for all.
Thank you, Waseem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. We appreciate you. All right.